The aroma of authentic Andhra chicken dum biryani, cooked in the traditional style and now steaming hot, ready to be served.
After rinsing the chicken thoroughly under running water, I transfer the pieces to a clean bowl.
Now add the thick curd to the marinated chicken. This will make the gravy rich and creamy. Stir it well so the chicken is evenly coated.
Next, we add the freshly ground ginger garlic paste. This will give the dish its characteristic aroma. Red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, biryani masala added. Now we're going to add some salt, just a pinch, followed by the juice of half a lemon to brighten up the flavors. Next, add a handful of fresh mint leaves, followed by coriander leaves, and finally 2 or 3 green chilies according to your taste. Now, the final step is adding these wonderfully crispy fried onions right on top for that perfect crunch. First, we heat the oil and then we add a spoonful of ghee for that authentic aroma. Keep adding water slowly and knead it until the dough is smooth and elastic. This ensures everything is mixed thoroughly by hand. Rub the marinade evenly onto the chicken. Once coated, cover the bowl and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least an hour.
The secret to perfect basmati rice is washing it thoroughly. I gently swirl the grains in cold water, repeating this until the water runs clear. Before cooking, it's important to wash and soak the rice for at least 30 minutes. This helps the grains cook evenly.
The water is heating up now. It is important to wait until it reaches a full rolling boil before adding the ingredients.
Now we're going to add the whole spices directly into the boiling water. This allows the flavors to release quickly.
Keep the water boiling vigorously and add the rice. Stir it once so the grains separate and cook evenly. The rice is about 70% cooked. Now we must drain the excess water using a strainer. I am placing the heavy bottom pot on the stove. This pot is essential for slow cooking as it distributes heat evenly and prevents burning. Now take the marinated chicken from the bowl and spread it evenly on the cutting board so that each piece cooks uniformly.
Next, carefully layer the cooked basmati rice over the chicken curry, ensuring an even coating. Then, gently flatten the rice layer.
Now, the final step is to garnish it with some crispy fried onions. This adds a wonderful texture and aroma to the dish. Now, sprinkle some freshly chopped mint and coriander for a burst of flavor and freshness.
The saffron milk drizzle adds a beautiful color and a rich aroma to the warm milk. Now, the best part is adding the ghee. We pour it slowly over the hot rice so it melts perfectly. Make sure the lid is aligned correctly. Then twist it firmly to ensure it is sealed tightly.
For the perfect dum, we place the sealed handi on a very low flame and let the flavors melt slowly. The steam escaping slowly from the pressure cooker indicates that the food inside is cooking perfectly under the steady pressure. The wonderful aroma instantly tells me this dish is ready. Nothing beats homemade food. The moment we have been waiting for. The aroma is incredible and look how fluffy the biryani has turned out. The key to perfect biryani is the layering. Now we gently fold the rice to mix the flavors without breaking the grains. I have served the food on a white plate. It is now ready to be eaten. Look at this perfectly cooked piece of chicken, so juicy and tender. It's an absolute delight. The biryani tastes heavenly when paired with this simple raita. It balances the heat and adds a refreshing touch to every bite. I am now pouring the freshly cooked Hyderabadi mirchi ka salan into the serving bowl. The essence of home is coming together for a meal. Let's serve this family style just the way we love it.
The saffron-infused basmati rice is layered with succulent chicken pieces, creating this aromatic and visually stunning biryani. The secret to perfect biryani lies in the slow cooking, allowing the basmati rice to absorb all the rich flavors and aromas.
And finally, a generous sprinkle of fresh coriander to garnish this delicious biryani. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.